Hi, this is Amber with Nissan of Cool Springs. We'd like to welcome all of our online car shoppers. Thanks for taking a moment to watch our video. We hope that it's helpful in the search for your next vehicle. Today we are looking at a beautiful, like new, pre-owned 2017 Maxima Platinum. It has around 11,000 miles and is a one-owner vehicle with a clean Carfax and still under factory warranty. This Maxima is nicely equipped. External features include fog lamps, alloy wheels, and remote start. As we look inside, you'll see a dual moonroof and a beige leather interior with heated and cooled front bucket seats, along with second row seating with plenty of room for 3 passengers. Moving up front, you'll see a Bose premium audio system with SiriusXM radio, along with hands-free Bluetooth for use with your cell phone. Plus it has steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, push button start, GPS navigation, backup camera, and more. Call us at 615-224-8314 to set up a time for your test drive. We will see you here at Nissan of Cool Springs, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty.